here's my next project. This thing is cracked, and I'm just gonna show you guys. I started pulling it down and realized that I didn't give you a good look. So I went and I spoke to my neighbor Mike, and here's what he had to say.
Everything that's loose has to be moved. Anything that you can move, you got to gouge it right out to the drywall, right to the corner bead. And then you should put perforated mesh tape all along there. Oh, and here you've got to do this side too. It's all broken. What? Well, this side here is all wrecked.
Oh, really? Oh, I see it. For today's project, what we used was Sheet Rock 45, and it's drywall compound, but here is what's important. It's a 1-day patch, joint and finish, and it takes 30 minutes working time. Our tape, a dust mask, because you'll notice that it gets very dusty. We did use that to scrape off all the extra drywall that was hanging loose to ensure that we got a really nice secure fit. And here are all the other stuff that we use, the drill with the drywall drill bit. I'm really thankful that my neighbor helped me. I would not have done this. I would have just patched it up with regular drywall.
There's probably a lot of beam stress in this area, especially because these houses, a lot of it was wet because it sat for a long time and the original builder went bankrupt.
So guys, I wanted to show you all the tools that you can use when doing drywall. And the reason why I'm showing you so that if any time you need to do something, you have a form of reference on what's available to you. Now this particular one, I'm not sure about that because I know that one would use that for when you're doing tiles, not drywall. The drywall one is a finishing tool and it's smooth edge all the way around. I wanted to just jump on and thank my neighbor Mike. He basically completed the whole project for me. I also wanted to thank him for the knowledge base that he gave me, because now I'm able to complete my ceiling on my own. The other thank you goes to you. Thank you guys so much for watching my content. Now, if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. I do try and upload at least once a week, depending on the length of the project. Now, there are other ways that you are able to interact with me. You can comment down below, or you can like the video. Thanks. Take care, guys. God bless you, and I look forward to seeing you next week.